Back with your GK class. Now I am going to start the topic of nature, and with its subtopics we will be starting famous desert and green earth. Now going to page number 4, that is famous desert. As you have this desert's name, you must have studied in class in social science also. Dash is, it is believed to be the world's oldest desert, having been in arid for at least 55 million years. A diverse set of animals live here, many of which exist nowhere else on the planet. It overlays coastal Namibia extending into Angola and South Africa. So that is Namib Desert. This desert sprawls across souths of Arizona, California, and Mexico. The Saguaro cactus and the Oregon pipe cactus, both of which have federal preserves named after them, are native to this rocky desert. So that is Sonoram Desert. It is deemed the driest non-polar desert in the world, a plateau spanning Peru, Bolivia, Argentina, and Chile. It measures 600 miles in length and circumscribes an area over 40,000 square miles. So that is Atacama Desert. It covers a huge area of northern Africa and is the third largest desert in the world. So, winds and sporadic rainfall have shaped it into a landscape of dunes, valleys, flats, and sand seas. So, that is Sahara Desert. Fifth is the desert spans two countries, covers parts of northern and northwestern China and up into southern Mongolia. It is also home to the Mongolian death worm, a cryptid described as red worm 2 to 5 feet in length that locals claim can spew acid to its prey. Then is a desert in southern Israel. So that was fifth one was Sahara Desert. Sixth one, that is, you can see it is a Negev Desert, a desert in southern Israel. It hosts several Bedouin cities as well as Kibbutz. This desert constitutes over 55% of Israel's land area. Throughout the ages, this region has been settled by nomads. The Byzantine Empire, the Romanians, and many others. Life in this place is said to date back almost 7,000 years. Then is Moav Desert. As these deserts are given in this box, the name of the deserts. So that is Mojave Desert. The place contains the Death Valley, which sits at an elevation of 282 feet below sea level, making it the lowest point in Northern America. Joshua trees delineate the boundaries of the region. Las Vegas, Nevada is the largest city. Eighth is with an annual precipitation of approximately 8 inches, it is classified as desert, perhaps the least hospitable. The continent has no permanent residents. Those who do live here are housed in the research stations that ring the continent. So that is Antarctic Desert. So dash an arid region of lava beds and alkali flats. This desert also serves as the site of an annual event called Burning Man, a music and performance art festival. So that is Black Rock Desert. 10th, this desert covering 77,000 square miles forms a geomorphic border between India and Pakistan. The desert's formation and age are a matter of debate. Its varied habitats support a wealth of animal taxa, including 23 species of lizards and 25 species of snakes. So that is Thar Desert. Then comes page number 35, that is green earth. Matter other than plant or animal and not containing a combination of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen with all living things contains are called inorganic. The geographical location and environmental condition necessary for the flourishing of a particular type of plant or animal is known as habitat. Dash are harmful to living organism, that is toxins. Fourth, planting trees where there were none before is called afforestation. Fifth, when strong acid fall from the atmosphere in the form of rain, snow, fog or dry particles, it is known as acid rain. Six, regions where participation is very low in quantity for most crops and where irrigation is required for agriculture is known as arid. Seventh, the cutting down of trees usually for commercial purpose is known as deforestation. Eighth, release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere over specified area and period of time is known as emission. Ninth, the wearing away of land surface by wind, water, glaciers, chemicals, and exposure to the atmosphere is called as erosion. 10th, the ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by the French scientists Charles Fabry and Henry Belson. 11th, the total amount of living organism in a given area is known as biomass. 12th, a biological community of interacting organism and their physical environment is called ecosystem. So this completes your green earth chapter. These terms are related to our green earth topic. Thank you.